Alright, we're doing a plane spotting video today. As you can see, Southwest Airlines just landed. The reason I'm doing it today is because there's going to be a Delta Airlines Airbus taking off. See, it's right there taxiing over to the runway. This is pretty cool. See, Southwest Airlines just landed. That's so cool. There goes Southwest Airlines. I'm waiting for Delta Airlines to take off. I've never seen a Delta Airbus in El Paso before. And there's the airport over there. Still taxiing over to 26 left. There's another plane landing coming in. Looks like American Airlines. This is cool. Here it comes. I'm gonna go ahead and turn I'm gonna push this. That was so cool. Let's see. Once Delta Airlines takes off, I'm going to be leaving. I'm just waiting because you're going to see it's an Airbus. Never seen an Airbus in El Paso. Well, I have for US Airways, but never for Delta. Just really rare that they even operate them here. See, there's American Airlines. Oh, there's no more planes landing in the distance. I don't see any. Alright, Delta should be coming in any moment now. American Airlines is going to gate A1 is what it looks like. Come on, Delta Airlines. It usually doesn't take this long. There's probably a plane landing on 26. Weird, it never even takes this long for it to come. Well, let's kind of start driving a little bit. Maybe it'll come by. I think I hear it. Oh, there it is. Here it comes. Delta Airlines, Airbus A320, I believe, or A321. You can see it there in the distance. Oh, this is gonna be awesome. That's gonna be it for now. That was today's plane spotting video. Delta Airbus took off, and that's gonna be it.